Modern farming methods, green revolution. Yield is measured as crop produced on a given piece of land during a season. Primarily, land is measured either in hectares or in bighas. Till mid 1960s, traditional seeds were used which had a low yield or a total output was low. Cow dung and other natural manure were used as fertilizers. But the Green Revolution in the late 1916 led to the use of modern farming methods like high yielding variety seeds, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides. Green Revolution increased the production of wheat. However, the production of pulses could not increase. Now in this picture, you can see how the modern farming methods like canals, the pump sets, electricity, dams, pesticides, fertilizers, high yielding variety seeds and these farm machineries have helped to increase the total productivity from the land. All this is a part or it is a boon of the Green Revolution in India. Farmers of Punjab, Haryana, and western Uttar Pradesh were the first to use these modern farming methods. In Palampur, the wheat production on account of these new farming methods has increased from 1300 kgs per hectare to 3200 kgs per hectare. Farmers had great amount of surplus grain to sell in the market. Modern farming method is however comparatively expensive as compared to traditional farming, but it has a big advantage over traditional farming that its total yield or total output is much higher as compared to traditional farming. So we are now coming across two methods of farming. One is traditional farming versus the modern farming. However, there are certain limitations of these modern farming methods. Modern farming methods have overused the natural resource base, and in this case, the natural resource base is land. Green Revolution has led to loss of soil fertility due to increased use of chemical fertilizers. Now, many of these chemical fertilizers percolate to the ground and they have reduced the ground fertility. The water table has also been reduced due to the continuous use of groundwater for tube well irrigation. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides pollute the groundwater, rivers, and lakes. Chemical fertilizers can kill the bacteria and other microorganisms which are present in the soil. So, continuous use of chemical fertilizers have reduced to the soil fertility has been reduced. So, the important way or the important thing to remember for us is that these modern farming methods must be used judiciously or sustainable farm production.